Imagine a token left for dead after a historic collapse suddenly surging over 70% in a week. That's exactly what just happened with Terra Classic or LUNC. This isn't just a random pump. Months of community effort and strategic moves have led to this explosive rally. After being written off post-2022, LUNC's comeback is a testament to the power of a determined community. The question now, is this a fleeting spike or the start of a true revival? We'll break down the mechanics behind this rally, from technical breakouts to community-driven initiatives. Let's cut through the hype and dig into what's really fueling Terra Classic's dramatic return. Let's dive into the recent price action of LUNC and see what the charts are telling us about this volatile asset. Over the past several months, LUNC has been quietly moving sideways, trading within a narrow band. For many traders and investors, it seemed like the excitement had faded, and the coin was largely ignored in favor of more active markets. During this period, LUNC's price barely budged, consolidating in a tight range. This kind of prolonged stagnation often leads to complacency, with fewer eyes on the asset and lower trading volumes. But as history shows, periods of low volatility can sometimes set the stage for explosive moves. Out of nowhere, a surge of buying pressure erupted, breaking through the established resistance levels. In just a matter of days, LUNC's price skyrocketed by over 70%, catching many traders off guard and triggering a wave of excitement across the crypto community. This wasn't a gradual climb or a slow build-up. Instead, it was a dramatic vertical breakout, one that liquidated short positions and completely flipped the prevailing market sentiment. Traders who had bet against LUNC were forced to cover their positions, adding even more fuel to the rally. Now, the previous resistance zone is being retested as a new support level. This is a critical moment for any asset after a major rally, as it often determines whether the move has real strength or if it's just a fleeting spike. The key question is whether LUNC can maintain these higher price levels and establish a solid base. If buyers continue to step in and defend this support, it could signal the start of a more sustained uptrend. After such a rapid move, some consolidation is not only expected but healthy. This phase allows the market to absorb gains, shake out weak hands, and build momentum for the next potential leg up. That's why we're closely monitoring these key levels and watching for signs of strength or weakness. Technical indicators, trading volume, and price reactions at support will all provide clues about LUNC's next move. So, is this the beginning of a powerful new trend for LUNC, or just a temporary spike before another pullback? Only time will tell, but for now, all eyes are on how the market responds in the coming days. In crypto, resistance levels are psychological ceilings. LUNC was stuck below 1 for months. The recent surge smashed through, triggering a flood of new buyers and forcing shorts to cover. Now that old ceiling is the new floor. This is classic technical analysis. Resistance becomes support. The next test? Can buyers defend this new support if the price pulls back? A successful retest signals real strength and market acceptance of higher prices. These battles at key levels reveal where the market's conviction truly lies. The breakout was a major win for LUNC bulls, but defending this territory is the next challenge. Watch how price interacts with support. It's the best clue for what comes next. Behind LUNC's ticker lies not just a cryptocurrency but a relentless community, one that has weathered storms, setbacks, and skepticism. This is a group of people who refuse to let their project fade into obscurity after the chaos of 2022. Instead of walking away, they rallied together, united by a shared vision and a determination to rebuild what was lost. They took charge, proposing innovative changes, debating new ideas, and rolling up their sleeves to reconstruct the very foundation of LUNC. Through countless online forums, community calls, and governance votes, they shaped the project's future, brick by digital brick. One of their boldest moves was launching a massive token burn campaign, a coordinated effort to fight hyperinflation and restore value. The idea was simple, but powerful. By permanently removing tokens from circulation, they could create scarcity and reignite hope. Major exchanges like Binance recognized this grassroots momentum and joined in, burning trading fees and amplifying the impact. Their participation sent a clear message: the world was watching, and the community's efforts were making waves. Each burn, no matter how small, became a symbol of unity and long-term vision. It wasn't just about numbers, it was about showing the world that LUNC's supporters were in it for the long haul. This collective action boosted confidence, attracted new interest and inspired others to join the cause. The result? A powerful feedback loop. Every burn sparked headlines, every headline drew attention, and every surge in price encouraged even more burns. The cycle fed itself, turning community action into market momentum. But beyond the charts and numbers, something deeper was happening. The community's belief became a kind of social support level, a foundation built not on code, but on conviction and trust. This belief proved harder to break than any technical floor. It was forged through adversity, strengthened by shared struggle, and reinforced by every small victory along the way. Through resilience and active governance, the LUNC community didn't just survive, they adapted, evolved, and found new ways to thrive. Their commitment to transparent decision-making and open participation set them apart in the crypto world. Today, LUNC stands as a story of revival, a testament to what's possible when people come together with purpose and passion. It's a reminder that in crypto, technology matters, but community matters even more. In the end, belief can be the most powerful catalyst of all, turning setbacks into comebacks and dreams into reality. Price can deceive, but volume reveals the truth. LUNC's rally wasn't just a price spike, it was backed by a surge in trading volume across major exchanges. High volume means real conviction and broad participation, not just a few whales moving the market. Volume spiked as LUNC broke resistance, confirming the breakout's strength. Sustained high volume after the rally shows ongoing interest and healthy liquidity. Rising price on rising volume is one of the strongest bullish signals. The market's agreement is clear, this move has substance. LUNC's volume surge demands serious attention. It's not just hype. Ardaurau mit cha tekrar descansinmide. Terra Classic's recent rally didn't occur in a vacuum. It's actually part of a much broader surge happening across the altcoin market, a movement that's been largely fueled by Bitcoin's impressive strength and renewed investor optimism. As Bitcoin continues to break through resistance levels and capture headlines, it tends to ignite a ripple effect throughout the entire crypto ecosystem, encouraging traders and investors to seek out opportunities beyond just the top coins. When Bitcoin rallies, it often signals a shift in market sentiment. Risk appetite grows and capital starts flowing into altcoins, especially those with compelling narratives or recent developments. Investors look for the next big story, hoping to catch significant gains as the market's momentum builds. This is a classic pattern in crypto cycles. Bitcoin leads, and altcoins follow, sometimes with even more dramatic moves. LUNC, with its dramatic collapse last year and the subsequent revival driven by a passionate community, has become a prime target for speculative interest. Its story of near-total destruction followed by a grassroots comeback is exactly the kind of narrative that captures attention in a market hungry for high-risk, high-reward plays. The current market environment is especially receptive to tokens with strong stories and active communities. LUNC fits this mold perfectly, standing out among a sea of altcoins thanks to its unique history and the ongoing efforts of its supporters to rebuild and innovate. We're also seeing similar moves in other meme coins and community-driven tokens. These assets are surging as traders chase volatility and the potential for outsized returns, reflecting a broader hunger for speculative bets in the current market cycle. LUNC's rally is the result of both its internal efforts, like ongoing development, community engagement and ecosystem upgrades, and the bullish external environment that's lifting many altcoins. The interplay between these factors is crucial for understanding its recent price action. Ultimately, LUNC's future will depend on a combination of continued community action, successful project milestones, and the overall health of the broader crypto market. If the community can maintain momentum and deliver on key initiatives, LUNC could continue to attract attention and capital. If the current altcoin rally persists and the appetite for risk remains strong, LUNC could ride this wave even higher, potentially reaching new heights as part of the ongoing altcoin resurgence. After a huge rally, a pullback is normal. No asset climbs forever. This phase, called consolidation, lets the market digest gains and build a new base. The key is whether LUNC holds above its breakout level. If so, it's a sign of real strength. Healthy consolidation happens on lower volume, showing sellers aren't overwhelming buyers. A sharp drop on high volume would be a red flag, but so far, LUNC's pullback looks routine. The community remains active, with new proposals and ongoing burns shaping the future. All eyes are on whether LUNC can defend support and continue its momentum. Stay tuned, this revival story is just getting started.